While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Energy flow. Let's begin. Mountain pose. Stand tall with feet together, spine long, and shoulders relaxed. Breathe deeply, feeling grounded and strong. Upward salute. Inhale and reach your arms overhead, stretching upward through your fingertips. Lift your chest and look slightly up, feeling space and energy in your body. Standing side stretch. Stand tall and reach one arm overhead. Gently lean to the opposite side, keeping your chest open. Breathe deeply, feeling length and openness along your side. Standing side stretch. Stand tall with feet grounded. Reach one arm overhead and lean gently to the side. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to release tension. Chair pose. Bend your knees and sit back as if lowering into a chair. Reach your arms up, keep your chest lifted, and breathe steadily, feeling strength and balance. Warrior eye pose. Step one foot forward and bend your front knee. Lift your arms overhead, open your chest, and breathe deeply, feeling focus and inner power. Warrior eye pose. Step one foot forward, bend the front knee, and keep the back leg strong. Reach your arms overhead and breathe deeply, feeling stability and focus. Warrior eye pose. Step one foot forward and bend the front knee. Extend your arms out to the sides. Gaze over your front hand and breathe deeply, feeling strength and balance. Warrior eye pose. Step your front foot forward and bend the knee. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Look over your front hand and breathe steadily, feeling strength and stability. Triangle pose. Step your feet wide, extend your arms to the sides, and reach forward over your front leg. Tilt your torso, and place one hand on your shin or the floor, lifting the other arm up. Breathe deeply, feeling length and openness. Triangle pose. Step your feet wide, stretch your arms out, and lean over your front leg. Place one hand on your shin or the floor, lift the other toward the sky, and breathe deeply, feeling stretch and balance. Extended side angle pose. Step your feet wide, bend your front knee, and place your front elbow on the knee or hand on the floor. Extend your other arm overhead, lengthening your side body. Breathe deeply, feeling strength and stretch. Extended side angle pose. Step your feet wide, bend the front knee, and place your hand on the floor or knee. Stretch your other arm over your head, lengthening your side body. Breathe steadily, feeling strength and openness. Half moon pose. Balance on one leg and place the opposite hand on the floor or a block. Lift your other leg and arm, opening your chest and side body. Breathe deeply, feeling balance and strength. Half moon pose. Balance on one leg with the opposite hand on the floor or a block. Lift your other leg and arm, keeping your chest open. Breathe steadily, feeling strength and balance. Plank pose. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Press your palms firmly into the mat. Engage your core and breathe steadily, feeling strength and stability. Upward facing dog. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift your chest and legs off the mat. Open your chest, keep your shoulders relaxed, and breathe deeply, feeling strength and openness in your body. Downward facing dog. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Press your palms into the mat, lengthen your spine, and breathe deeply, feeling stretch and strength throughout your body. Boat pose. Sit with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Lift your legs and balance on your sit bones, extending your arms forward. Keep your spine long and breathe steadily, feeling core strength and balance. Relaxation pose. Lie flat on your back, arms relaxed at your sides, and legs comfortably apart. Close your eyes, breathe slowly and deeply, and let your body fully relax, feeling calm and peaceful.